How to Revolut back to your bank account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can withdraw or Revolut your money from your Revolut account to your bank account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So to send money or withdraw money from your Revolut account back to your bank account, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and then open up the Revolut app. Then just make sure that you sign into the account, just confirming any biometric authentication you might have, and you might have a couple of dollars left over. You want to transfer it to your bank account, you don't find the option anywhere. Well, to do this, you have to tap the transfer icon first from the bottom in order to complete the transfer page. Now you have to tap the new button from the top right hand side. As you can see here, just tap the new option, and here you can see bank recipient. So it says transfer money to any bank account, and this is exactly what we want to do if we want to transfer money to a bank account from our Revolut account. So tap on this option here. You can select the country of the recipient's bank, the currency, make sure to enter the account number, the routing type, the routing number, first and the middle names, the last name, the email address, and then tap on add recipient. Once you've done that, you can successfully send money to them, or you can also just go to their business ID details. If it's from any of the other country also though, you can just go ahead and select that, and you can select any of the country that you might want to send money to over here, and you can simply enter all the details. Once you've done that, enter the SWIFT code or whatever else, you can tap on the add button to add a money, and then money will be successfully sent to that bank account. This is how you can Revolut back to your bank account. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.